All right, sorry about that. My last video got cut off, but let's pick up from here. So we were talking about how and is our decimal point right here. So we've got 49 and 8/10. Now I like to give myself these little spaces so I know exactly where my number needs to fall. 8/10. 49.8, 49 and 8/10. Let's do another example together. 3,901 and 64 hundredths. So let's go ahead and write our whole number first. So the number that comes first. So 3,901 and 64 hundredths. So here's what I like to do. I like to give myself spaces and stop at the hundredths. Tenths, hundredths. 64 hundredths. Let's do another example together. 753 and 4 thousandths. Now this is an example where this underlining method works really nicely and will help keep you organized and make sure you write down the right number. So let's do our whole number first. So 753 and now I'm going to give myself spaces until I get to my thousandths. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Now here within these spaces, I'm going to ignore everything else. I need to write the number 4. So if I do a 4 with zeros behind it, that'd be 400. If I put a 4 here, I'd have to have a 0 behind it. That'd be 40. I need my 4 to be here, and I'm going to put zeros in front because when I cover that up, that is the number 4, and it's sitting in the thousandths place value just like I need it. So let's do some others. 10,022, 10,000, 22, and, this is a good one, 41 10,000ths. So again, let's give ourselves some lines, some spaces, all the way out to 10,000ths. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. So I know I need to span all the way out to here. And I need the number 41 to be showing. So I'm going to throw some zeros out in front and the 41 in back. That's 41 tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. 8 and 211 thousandths. 8 and is your decimal, 211 thousandths. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and I'm going to write 211 thousandths. 14 and 57 thousandths. 14 and, again, I'm going to give myself spaces, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. I need the number 57 to be showing here. Now again, I want to just show you, if you put the 57 here, then that's 570 thousandths, which is not what we're looking for. So we need to shift our number all the way to that last spot. So that now reads as 14 and 57 thousandths. And why don't you go ahead and give the last one a try on your own.